perfect.
Hilda's here.
Nice.
How is it? Can't break on my top.
I was waiting to be I've never tried it, so I don't know, maybe.
Again, so I decide for this side, you guys go.
Sorry, guys. Okay, no, you guys are doing great. You're doing so good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I thought there might be bats in here. Huh? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, you guys can give them the paddle and then they pull you over.
Okay, well,
He's drinking a water.
Yeah, Katie's not. She's not interested.
what do I do? Catch them?
Yeah.
You pull them over or you hold on to their ball.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Fuck it.
Go on.
Fuck me. That's so giant there.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Come on, mate. Yeah.
Yeah, we're right.
I know, I climbed over the barrier and jumped on there. Oh, I'm jumping on this.
Yeah, jump on the
I'm gonna jump over.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. I will also. I don't know how to go.
3, 2, 1. Oh. It was only Katie.
Well done.
Katie, they left you.
Go downstairs and get them from here.
Okay.
Let's not go there.
Shall we have a second try?
Go, Jake. It's so warm, eh?
It's not very bouncy.
Yeah, it doesn't look bouncy.